Okay, so today we were looking at absolute deviations to help us find the mean or to help us confirm that the mean is true. And so we did it should balance. So the distance, the absolute deviation is the distance from the mean. And so 8 would be a 1, 7 would be a 2, 6 would be a 3. If I add all of those up, it adds up to 6. 10 would be 1 above that, and then 14 is 5 above that, and 1 plus 5 is also 6. They should balance if it is the actual mean. And so it looks like we they try to do this. So from 14 to 11 is, oh, I got to type it in, 3. From 14 to 12 it is 2, and then from 14 to 13 is 1. And so 6 plus, or 3 plus 1, 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 6. On the other side of that, I've got 16 is 2 away, and 18 is 4 away, and yes, that should be correct. Oh, okay, well then, yeah, I got the 6 on one side and 6 on the other. Um, I don't want to put them at semicolon. They are equal, balanced, that kind of concept. Here we go. And so Amir says that this is 4. Okay, so 0 is 4 away, 1 is 3 away, 2 is 2, 2, 2. When I add that up, I've got 7 plus 9, 2 is 9, 11, 13 over here. And then over here, I've got 2, 3, and then a 4, 4, 4. When I add up that, I get 17, and so I need it to be 15 on each side. Okay, so because I want it to be 15 on each side, I need to bump this up by 2. Well, 5 divided by 2, or sorry, other way around, 2 divided by 5 is 0.4. So I think it should be at 4.4 would be the actual point. So Amir is wrong. I have 13 on one side and 17 on the other. That's not balanced. Here we go. Calculate the mean of the data. Is that the same data? Because then I just did it. Oh, no, this is a different problem. There's only 5 dots here. This is where there's no real magic. I'm going to pick a point like 15. So if I pick the mean as 15, mu is 15, then 12 would be 3 away, 11 would be 4 away. So I've got 7 over here. 17 would be 2 away, 2 away, and 3 away. Oh, good, that equals 7. And so just my random first guess was 15, which was, I just picked some random number in the middle. And so 15, submit and explain. There are 7 on each side. It is balanced at that point. Add 5 points to this without changing the mean. So for every one above it, I need one below it. So if I put one at 5, I need to put one at 7. They're both 1 apart. If I put one at 3, which is 3 away, then I need to put one at 9, which is 3 away. And then I need one in the middle, if that lets me do that. And so at this point, I would have 4 on one side, 4 on the other. I would have 4 on each side. Oh, that totally did not type. I would have 4 on each side. Totally misspelled that. Okay, in a basketball game, LaShawn scored 20 points. JC scored 30. And then you've got this guy, Tyler, this person, Tyler, I don't know, could be a girl. Tyler, but they averaged 40. So, how many points did Tyler score? Well, this is 10 below, this is 20 below, and so I need something that's 30 above. And so that would be 70 points. 40 plus 30 is 70. Okay, looking at this, adding a point at 15 will increase the mean. No, if I put a point at 15, it will bring the mean down. Adding 20, that is true, because that's going to be above. Adding a point at 17, false. It would stay the same. She thinks that x equals 3. Well, 3 squared, 3 times 3 is 9, not 8. So wrong. 3 times 3 equals 9, not 8. Next. Oh, greater than equal then? Okay, I can do this. That is greater than. 4 is 4. That is equal to 15 and 12. That is greater than. And all positives are greater than negatives. Let's see how I did. Yay, I got them all right. So if you have any questions, please ask me in class. If not, I'll see you in the next video.